Hello people, so cracking on with jobs around here, and the job for today is to move the blood orange tree and the mango tree out of here, and I'm going to be transporting it to the place where which I intend to overwinter them. So you can see, if we have a look here, look, you can just see the orange tree in there, in that pot, and there's the leaves there. And the mango tree you can see over there, which has put out masses of growth. So I'm just going to remove those, and then we'll have a look at them before they go to their winter place. Okay, so looking at the crazy polytunnel, you can see that now got a little bit more space free from where they were. So they were here and over there, so it's a little bit more space that I can proceed to work with. Okay, so I hope you can see them clearly here. So we'll start with the beautiful blood orange tree. So this is what we've got here, Citrus sinensis, and good healthy trunk there. And I don't remember it having this lovely stem here before, so this is a new growth. In fact, you can see it is. Just take the mango tree away there, we'll get onto that in a moment. But take a look at them lovely healthy leaves. Really has done well in the polytunnel, its first season. Purchased this a few months ago. I'll link the video down below when I purchased it so you can see what it was like then. But yeah, I put it in some very nutritious compost, but I'm really happy with how the growth has come on. Okay, so here we have the mango tree. I'll let you read that. Come on, come into focus here. Trying to get this to focus, but it's not doing it. But I think you get the idea. So you can see these leaves were on here when I purchased it, and you can see they're the older leaves, and it very fast put out newer leaves. So there you go, like that, look. And these are the really young leaves, really tender and green. Lovely leaves, aren't they? Almost like an avocado plant leaf. But you can see there, look, that's all new growth. Now, they had that lovely long, warm and hot summer that we've had, and these are some really young leaves. Look at them in the polytunnel, and the tree has clearly thrived. Once again, a very nutritious growing mixture. These are leaves from the cherry tree that were in there, or the peach tree, but you're going to have to put a bit of compost in here to fill it up. But they're quite good specimens, aren't they, for trees that aren't generally grown in the UK. So yeah, it'll be intriguing how these do. It's highly unlikely that the mango will fruit, although someone has managed to do this. There's a YouTube video on it in this country, and I believe the one in Kew Gardens fruited a few years ago, but I'm expecting a bit of success eventually with the orange tree. But it'll be intriguing, but still quite nice during the day at the moment. 17 degrees C today, which is about 72 degrees Fahrenheit, I believe. But during the night, the other night went down to 4 degrees C, which is about 39 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a little bit on the chilly side, and I really don't want to risk losing these. I very much imagine that the orange tree would be more hardy than the mango tree, but even so, I'm not going to risk it. And they don't like drafts either, so not getting drafts in the polytunnel, but even in there this time of year it does get a bit chilly. It's probably about 2, 3, maybe 4 degrees warmer in there than it is outside, but even so I don't want to risk losing them. So they're going to be going into someone's conservatory, and should be draft free in there, I'm hoping, and I'm expecting them to just overwinter. They can sit tight in there, and then next year they'll go back in the polytunnel. So let's have another look at them. I'm back to the mobile phone, by the way, and I explained the other day, but I've got this problem on the computer. I've got my my camera, and I normally use, can't remember the name of it now, Memories or something that comes with it, but it won't let me group videos together. So I don't know what's going on there, but when I get a bit of time, which will happen, I'm going to be getting some editing software probably, and finally this might be a good thing actually to sort of get me into the producing videos a little bit better, because you know, I do need to improve my own knowledge on that, but we do what the best we can with the time that we have, and I want to show you guys just what's going on here. Got it tied up with washing line. So say goodbye to these for the winter, and you'll be seeing them again next summer. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. All the best.